what happens is that the tooth formation, it begins with at 6th week of intrauterine life. ठीक है. So at 6th week of intrauterine life, what happens is there is the formation of primary epithelial band in the oral cavity in the upper and the lower jaw. Okay, so at 6th week of intrauterine life, what happens is there is the formation of primary epithelial band. Now this primary epithelial band, what it does is it gives out two processes. These are lingual and the buccal process. Okay, so from the lingual process arises what? Dental lamina. Its lingual process is dental lamina and its buccal process is vestibular lamina. Okay, so dental lamina, again what happens is three things happen from the dental lamina. ठीक है. First of all, what happens? All deciduous teeth, they erupt or arise. Okay, all deciduous teeth arise from the dental lamina. Then next what happens is from the lingual extension, from the lingual extension of dental lamina, the permanent successors of the deciduous teeth arise. Okay, so dental lamina के lingual extension से इन deciduous teeth का permanent successor आएगा and there is distal extension. So from the distal extension of dental lamina, what arises? Permanent molars. Okay, permanent molars and non-succedaneous teeth. Okay, so permanent molars, they arise in primary molars की place पे. What arises is the premolars, first and second premolar, and then the permanent molars, they arise from the distal extension of the dental lamina. Okay, now what happens? How the deciduous teeth erupt from the dental lamina? Let us see. So the dental lamina, it leads to the formation, उसका differentiation होता है first of all. ठीक है, first of all there is differentiation of the dental lamina. Okay, for example, this is the upper jaw. ठीक है, so what is happening? Differentiation, यहाँ पे dental lamina present है and there is differentiation of the dental lamina, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है? 10 points are formed. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So these 10 points are formed in the dental lamina, which correspond to future position of deciduous tooth. Okay, so what is happening here is 10 points are formed which correspond to the ovoid swellings. These points are what? These are round ovoid swellings. So these round ovoid swellings, which are formed by differentiation of dental lamina, which correspond to the future position of the deciduous tooth, they are called as enamel organ. Okay, so this is known as enamel organ. Now what is happening? There are different stages of the tooth development. Okay, so the stages of, let us see what are the different stages of tooth development now. Okay, so there are different stages of tooth development. Now these stages, they could be divided either into histophysiological stages or they could be divided into the morphological tooth development stages. ठीक है, दोनों टाइप से क्लासिफाई करके दोनों के बेसिस पे स्टडी कर सकते हैं. इधर इट कुड बी हिस्टोफिजियोलॉजिकल और इट कुड बी morphological. So according to the histophysiological stage, the tooth development, it takes place in four steps. So what are the 4 steps? It is initiation, then it is proliferation of cells, then there is morpho differentiation and histodifferentiation. After that there is apposition. Okay, so these are the 4 histophysiological stages of tooth development. It is initiation, proliferation, morphodifferentiation and histodifferentiation, and then is apposition. Now next are the morphological stages. So let us see what are the morphological stages of tooth development. Okay, so the morphological stages, they could also be combined with the physiological processes. Let us see how. So here we are going to make a chart. First is morphological stage and the corresponding physiologic process. Okay, so what are the various morphological stages in the process of tooth development? First is dental lamina. Then second is bud stage. Third is cap stage. Fourth is early bell stage. Fifth is advanced bell stage. Then sixth is formation of enamel and dentine matrix. Seventh is root formation. And eighth is eruption of tooth. Okay, so these are the various morphological stages. Now what are the physiological processes which are associated to the stage? So for dental lamina, it is known as initiation. Okay, then what is happening? Bud stage, cap stage and bell stage. Bud stage, cap stage and early bell. Okay, ये तीनों में क्या होगा? proliferation. After that, in the cap stage, early bell stage and advanced bell stage, ये तीनों में क्या होगा? Histodifferentiation. Okay, then in the advanced bell stage and formation of enamel and dentine matrix, there is morphodifferentiation. And root formation and enamel dental matrix, there is apposition. Okay, so this is how the morphological stages, they are related to the physiological process. मतलब in morphological stages में ये physiological processes जो हैं they are carried out. Okay.